Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. Okay, so here I've taken my trade in a up direction and now you can see I won my trade here. So why I won my trade here? You need to analyze this thing. You can see candle close here at the key level. So this rejection will work as a next support. So therefore I took my trade and I won my trade here. Now can I go here with the sellers? Yes. I will definitely go here with the sellers. Why? Because you can see this candle is closing in the middle of the trend. The next level is here. So because of these two levels, this candle is a sign of continuation in the middle of the trend. So you know, in the middle of the trend, this candle will work as a sign of continuation. So I took my trade here. And also you can see this candle closed below this key level now. It means that this is the confirmation that this rejection will work as a resistance and next candle will go down. And you can see I won my trade here. Now if we analyze the market here, let me show you here. Now I need a perfect trading setup to go with the buyers or sellers. Okay, so can I go here with the buyers? No, I will not take any kind of risk here because you can see this candle is having a small gap to the level. You can see this is a small gap, so there is no need to take a risk for your trading. So let me show you here. This is the next level. This is the next level. Now you can see market is going down because of this small gap. So there is no need to take your trades blindly. Now you can see I will only see this area, this zone. Now I took my trade here on the basis of continuation. Now I am going to take my trade on the basis of momentum continuation. So my next level is here. I will only see this chart, okay, from this point to this point. Now you can see this was a ranging market. In this zone I saw a ranging market and I took two trades here. Okay, so you can see market is making a new low. If it closes here below this area, I will definitely go here with the sellers. Now I am waiting for a good setup. Okay, I can easily go with the sellers. Yes, I took my trade here. The opening price is perfect. Now why I took my trade here, you can see this is a reversal zone. Now you can see this area is a reversal area. Market closed here making a new low, telling you that now the sellers wants to go to this area. They want to reach this area. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction. And now you will see we will win this trade. No need to worry about this trade. We will definitely win our trade. Market will close below our entry point. Okay, so I want to show you clearly here one thing, that this is the level. Okay, market close, you can see exactly at the level. So I took my trade and now you can see I won my trade. Now can I go here with the buyers? Yes, I can confidently go here with the buyers. Why? Because you can see here candle close here on the left side, buyers entry on the left side level. So it made a new high, so confirmation. Market close now above from this trend line. So you can see a buyer's entry. You will definitely get here a buyer's candle. There is no chance for this candle to close as a bearish. It will close as a bullish. Market has to go up. Yes, it has to go up and market will go up again. So in no need to worry about this trade. Our prediction is only for a bullish candlestick. Okay, it has to go up. Yes, it is going up. Okay, so I won my trade. So here you can see I won my trade here. So you need to analyze your market. So if you want to start your trading, so there is no need for you to go back very far on the left side. Just try to open the chart and check the levels. That's it. You can see. Now you can see market is trying to go up from this zone. Now what you need to do is very simple. This is your level. So you need a good trading setup. Now on the left side I'm seeing a rejection level, reversal. So can I go here with the buyers or sellers? Okay, I can go here with the sellers. I took my trade here in a down direction, and now you can see the market will definitely close below my entry point. So you will see the market will close as a bearish. So now you can see market is going down from this point because your levels are pretty much defined here. Now you can see level, rejection, candle closed at the level, so market will again go down from this zone and you will definitely get your ITM like this. So there is no need to worry about your trading. You only need a good setup to go with the buyers or sellers. Now the market is exactly at the buyers area. Now you can see it crossed this area. Market crossed this area. So I will not trust this area anymore because my level was here. Market crossed this area. So can I go here with the buyers? Now if I get a 5-second confirmation candle in it, okay, I can go here with the buyers now because I am seeing here a buyer's entry. So this is a buyer's entry. So the market will at least close above our entry point here because of the breakout setup. So after breakout you can see this is the breakout for this candle. So although you can see market closed here at the buyer's area. So now you can see again buyers entered, but I took my trade with 5-second confirmation. So now you can see buyers are trying to go up. Market closed again exactly at the level. So therefore I won my trade here. Now here what I am seeing here is very simple. Okay, candle closed here. I am not seeing any kind of level on the left side. Okay, so therefore the market is going up. So now you can see I took my trades only in this sector, only in this zone, and I won all of my trades by analyzing the market. So it is not hard to understand, it is easy if you want to. Okay, so now you can see what happened here. This candle is a breakout candle. This candle is a breakout candle for this whole area. So we will wait here and you need to identify the key levels, the next key level from this point to this point. If the candle closes here, we can go here with the buyers. So let's see what happens here. Okay, now you can see market is trying to go down. Okay, so our levels are pretty much defined here. This is the next level, expected area. Now the candle can go down from this zone. I have taken my trade here in a down direction. I took my trade here on the basis of continuation. This candle made a new low, and now you can see on the left side. Okay, I need to check. Okay, it is a bit risky trade. Yes, it is a bit risky trade. Why? Because you can see I ignored here. No, this is not a risky trade. I will win my trade because my entry point is good. So market will close below my entry point and it will go down because still there is a gap to the key level. So now you can see I will definitely win my trade here. Market will not go up unless it closes here. It has to go down, and now you can see I took my trade in this ranging market and I won each and every trade. It is not difficult to take your trades. So I draw each and every level. I took my trades here and you can see I won all of them. I only took my trades by using only this chart. By using only this chart I took my trades. I'm not seeing any kind of left side. I'm not seeing at all. So you can see this was a ranging market and I only took trades on the ranging market. And now you can see from this point I draw a trend line. Market closed exactly at the level. If I want to take another trade I can easily go here. Now you can see from this point to this point, you can see this is a buyer's entry point. Market closed here making a new high, so it means that the market will again go up. And if I was taking my trades continuously, this was also my winning trade. So you can see this is how you can easily take your trades in ranging market. This is a ranging market. Okay, so try to take your trades like this. Okay, so if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and bye for now, because this is my second session of the day and I got so many messages that there was some kind of confusion for the breakout. So one friend asked me about the breakout. Now you can see sorry, not for the breakout, it was for the round number. Now you can see this is a round number where my cursor is moving. This line is a round number, and now you how we can check that the round number will work here. Okay, you can see after every breakout of this round number, reversal happened. Again broke the round number, reversal, again broke the round number, again reversal. So this is how you can see your round numbers on the left side. So try to understand these things, try to learn one thing a day, give one day to that topic, and you will get a good successful winning ratio. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. See ya.